Hello, boys and girls. In this lesson, we are going to be counting forward and backward by ones and tens to 500. All right, let's get started. Let's start first by counting by tens forward and backward. So, I have this chart here that will help us to count forward and backward by 10. So as I point to the number, count with me. We're going to start by counting forward. All right, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500. Awesome, boys and girls. I know that was a little bit tricky. If you want to challenge yourself, you can try counting by tens without using the chart. That would be a really good challenge and see how well you know how to count by tens. But if you still need to use a chart, that is totally fine. That is perfectly normal because this is still a little bit challenging for us. All right, we are going to get even a little bit more challenging. We are going to count backward now by tens from 500 all the way to 10. So again, as I point to the number, count with me. All right, here we go. 500, 490, 480, 470, 460, 450, 440, 430, 420, 410, 400, 390, 380, 370, 360, 350, 340, 330, 320, 310, 300, 290, 280, 270, 260, 250, 240, 230, 220, 210, 200, 190, 180, 170, 160, 150, 140, 130, 120, 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Awesome work, boys and girls, counting by tens forward and backward. But we are not done yet. Next, we are going to count by ones, and we're going to count little segments by one. We're not going to count all the way from 1 to 500 by ones because that would take us quite a bit of time. But we are going to practice counting by ones. Now, if you want to on your own practice counting from 1 all the way to 500, I would strongly encourage that. And here's a few tips if you are getting stuck. So first of all, a lot of times it helps to use a chart like this chart that has the numbers 1 to 100 to help us to count. Now, once you count all the way from 1 to 100, then you need to know what comes next, right? So you get down 97, 98, 99, 100. What comes next is you go all the way back to the top, but this time it's not 1, it's 101. So 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, and it keeps going all the way through until you get back down. You get 197, 198, 199, then the next 100 is 200. So 199, 200, and then go back up to the top, 201, 202, 203, and you keep repeating. You go through the whole chart until you get back down. Then after 200 comes 300, then 400, and then 500. So that's a few tips to help you count all the way from 1 to 500. All right, let's practice together. Start at 370 and count to 415. So go ahead and try that on your own, and then we will do it together. All right, let's come back together. If that was a little bit challenging for you, don't be discouraged. That is totally okay. Boys and girls, you will get more practice with this counting by ones as you continue on in math. But great job working so hard to try counting by ones on your own. All right, boys and girls, last thing for our lesson today. We are going to count backwards by 1. All right, now, the biggest thing that I find helps me is to use a chart like this when I'm counting backwards by 1, because this helps me know what number comes before that number, because when we count backwards, we start all the way over to the right on the chart, and we're going to count backwards by looking at, what number comes before. So for example, if I was counting backwards from 100, I would say 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, etc., etc. So let's practice counting backwards by 1 together, and then I will have you do it on your own. Here is this chart here to help you if you need it. So boys and girls, let's start at 70 and count backwards to 50. All right, here we go. Count with me as I point to the number. 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50. Awesome, boys and girls. Now start at 470 and count backwards to 450. If you notice, those numbers are sort of similar. In this number, it's 470, and this is just 70. But boys and girls, you can use the chart, even though it's 470, you can still use the chart to help you. 470, what comes before 470? 469. All right, boys and girls, go ahead, start at 470 and count backwards to 450. All right, boys and girls, good work. Our last problem, start at 235 and count backwards to 200. Go ahead and try that on your own. Awesome, boys and girls. Like I said, if what we did today was challenging for you, that is totally okay. You will get more practice counting by ones and counting by tens as you continue on in math. See you next time.